Good morning, my dear aspirants. Today, I am going to study about the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. It is the first chapter of class 6 mathematics. Then we have to know about the different types of numbers in this chapter. In common, the important topics. First of all, we have to discuss about the natural numbers. Second, digits or figures. Third, place value and face value. Fourth, number, numerals and numeration. So these are the main points of this chapter. So these are important topics of this chapter and we have to know about it. Then come the first point, natural numbers. What do you mean by natural numbers? What are natural numbers? It is the basic numbers, that means all counting numbers are called natural numbers. As for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why we call it basic numbers? In earlier times, we count everything. On this time, Jew is not researched in our systems, so it is naturally counting, and then it is called counting numbers. So it is the basic numbers, that means all counting numbers are called natural numbers. Then come on the second topics, digits or figures. What are digits or figures? Digits is the natural number by which we represent any numbers. That means we have the example 1, 2. In this number, 1 is digit, 2 is digit, but 12 is number. So it is separately called digit. And both which is made by this digit 1 and 2, these are called numbers. So they are very different between digits or numbers. This means the counting number by which any number is written. Then come on the next terms, place value and face value. What is place value and what is face value? Then we have to write like this. As for example, 1, 2, 3. It is the numbers. Here 1, 2, 3 are called digits, but 123 is called numbers. So here it has the place value. That means 3 has particular place, 2 has particular place, and 1 has particular place. It is at the place of ones, 2 is the place of tens, 1 is at the place of hundreds. So it has different value. Suppose that you are also the students and you have a particular post. If you are at the student's post, then you are a student. But when you are in front of your mother, you have the place value of son. Like this, the number has the different place and different place value. That means the place value of 3 is only 3, and the place value of 2 is 20, that means 20, and the place value of 1 is 100, that means all value is represented like this: 100 plus 20 plus 3, that means 123. We see that 3 is at one's place, so it has a particular value 3. 2 is at tens place, so it has particular value 20, and the 1 has 1 is at 100 place, it has a value of 100. So it has different value. So we count them after the place position, place multiplication of the numbers. Then come on the next terms, face value. What is place value and what is face value? Come on the next terms, face value. What is face value? Face value is the value which is given by the face position of the number in the arithmetic. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose that it is the number 12,345. The number 3 is at 100 place, so its place value is 300. But the face value of 3 is only 3. It is the one value, so the one value of number is called face value, and the value which is governed by the position of the number is called place value. So they are very different between place value and face value. So place value of 3, place value of 3, place value of 3 is equal to 300, and place value of 3 is equal to 3. So there are very difference between the face value and place value of the numbers. Then come on the next terms, number, numeral and numeration. Then come on the next point, number, numeral and numeration. What is number? What is numeral? And what is numeration? There are very different between the number, numeral and numeration. What is number? A number is an idea or concept, and it can be written in digits as well as in words. It's called number. When we can write the numbers or represent the numbers by the digits, that means 1, 2, 3. It is the representation in digits. And when we represent it in words, both digits and words representation is under the number. Then we call it, a number is an idea or concept, and it can be written in digits as well as in words. Is called number. Then come on the next point, numeral. What are numerals? Numerals a single digits or a group of digits representing a number is called numerals. When we write any number like 2, 300, 500, 1000, 1800, all are the numbers. Then we call it a single digits or a group of digits representing a number is called numerals. Common the we understand like this. We can write a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a single representation. It is a single representation. When we represent in the group, that means 123. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But it is the number which is made by this digit 1, 2, 3, and it is called 123. So we represent singly and here in group. So both singly and here in group we call it numerals. So we call it a single digits or a group of digits representing a number is called numerals. And we can write it singly and a group in a group. Then come on the next topic. Your next topic is numerations. numerations. What is numerations? Numerations is the representation of numbers in words. When we represent any numbers in words, then it is called numerations. That means 1, 2, 3 is a number. When we represent in words, we call it 100, 100, 123, 123, 123. So 123 is the representation by words, then we call it numerations. So we really understand that representation of numbers in words is called numerations. So your next topics and next study is going on next week.